There is a rough road all the way up Grouse Mountain, but it's much more fun to just head overland through the bush. There's lots of crisscrossing ATV tracks and there's not much undergrowth. Any upward route will eventually end up at the top. Blue Grouse is probably Kelowna's best bang for your buck half-day hike. Easily accessible, lots of great rocky bluffs to explore on the way up, and a great summit view. I think maybe I'm lost. Not sure which way the summit is. Oh yeah, never mind. You do have to share the summit with a loud comms installation, but it's kind of over to the side and there's lots of room for great views over here.